Hey, it's Brittany and I'm here at Magic Kingdom just to hang out today. I see that some of the wait times are a little low on a lot of the rides. There's been some technical difficulties here at Magic Kingdom. Yesterday there was a lot of rides down due to some technical issues, like I said, but it seems like everything's up and running today. So like I said, there's some, obviously Tron's busy, Mine Train is busy, but a lot of the little rides like Dumbo, Ariel don't seem too busy. So maybe we can hop on some rides and just like enjoy our day here at the Magic Kingdom. Hit that like button and subscribe, but let's go have some fun. Okay, first and foremost, what we're gonna do is check on the Emporium construction and see if there's any new merch. I swear, every time I come, there's always something new here at the parks, like merch-wise. So I figured we might as well walk through and see about those construction walls that are in here. But look at all the flowers over here. Super awesome. Disney is back to normal. So let's head into the Emporium and see, like I said, if they have anything new. And then check on that construction in here as well. And we will walk straight into the Valentine's stuff, which I've showed you guys about 1,012 times at this point. Didn't have a super big amount of Valentine's stuff this year, which is totally fine. Just not doing it this year, which is, like I said, it's fine, whatever. I like this jacket. This is pretty. I like that. Again, but this denim jacket. Again, both these jackets I'd only wear like 2 months out of the year. But these are really pretty. I like this collection. Is these like running pants? This reminds me of Victoria's Secret pink with like the chunky waistband. That's cute though. I like that. Ooh. Yeah, these are newer for sure. I think that's the new stuff that's over here. But yeah, I like that. That's really cute. I love a good denim jacket. I will always wear a good denim jacket. Let's see, what else is new? If not, we'll just make our way over to, we'll just make our way through the Emporium. No bigs. I know that they are bringing, I don't know if it's Disneyland, but Star Wars characters for the Create Your Own Ears soon, so that's really cool. This is also brand new. That's really cool. Very different, but really cool if you like munchlings. I think that's what those are. Whew. Let's see. Still the trading pins, 25th anniversary. Just keep on walking through. See the wall still, so the wall is still up here in the Emporium. I wonder when they're going to be done with the construction, because it definitely, they have all of this stuff in here as well, so they have a lot of, I feel like Springs is the only place that really didn't have it, because they definitely have all of the Star Mickey merch in here, literally every single piece of it. So if you guys are looking for that, Magic has it, Emporium has it as well. But yeah, we still have full-on wall in here. Does it still go all the way down? Yes, it is still under full construction in here, which is fine. I don't know what they're doing, so I'm very interested to see what it's going to be like when it's done. Is the stage show going on? Or is it, yeah, stage show. I was like, is it stage show or cavalcade? I can never tell. But yeah, let's head over. I kind of want to ride Dumbo. I haven't ridden Dumbo in a hot minute. And it's not super hot out yet, so outdoor rides are still doable. So let's head over to Dumbo. Is it the end? Are we at the end? No, it just started. I was gonna show you guys a little fireworks, but it legit just started. But that's all right. Let's head over to Dumbo and see if we can get on Dumbo. It's always playing, so in the daytime, go all through the night. That music playing, make you feel alright. This is a fun view of the stage show from like the corner. Cute. I love the stage show. It's very fun. Made it back over to Dumbo. It's a 15-minute wait, and I'm happy because you get to go inside. So let's get a hot second of AC and then hop on the ride. But I love Dumbo so much. I'm so excited. This is the play place inside of Dumbo. If you're looking for a place for your kiddos to play on the inside, it's really cute and in the AC, which is very, very nice. And just like that, I am on my very own Dumbo. I'm so excited. I love this ride so much. It's just so classic. It just makes me happy. You know, you have those little nostalgic rides. What's more nostalgic than Dumbo? I mean, I don't know. Comment down below. Is there anything more nostalgic at Disney than Dumbo? I don't know. I feel like Dumbo is something you ride when you're like a little baby kid, and then you get to ride it throughout your entire life, which is great. But yeah, I love Dumbo. It's so cute. I wish we had Casey's Jr. train here like at Disneyland, because I love Casey's Jr. at Disneyland. Woo! Here we go. Going up. I want to go up. Let me go up. Why can't I go up? Down and then up. Up. I can't go up. Am I doing it wrong? I promise I'm hitting the up. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, lift and hold. I can listen to instructions. That's hysterical. I did it. I'm up. We're doing it. All done. So worth it though. I love this ride. So much fun. Whee! All right. Dumbo is always a good time. I apparently suck at making him fly high. I forget you have to hold it and then keep holding, like press up and hold. And I love that the spiel tells you that, because if you're like me and can't remember that, I was just like hitting it, not thinking you have to hold it. So learn from me. Hold the lever up if you want to go higher on Dumbo. Oh goodness. I don't go on it enough, but now you know. I love just walking through this side of Fantasyland. It's so cute. It's my two favorite movies. We got Little Mermaid and Beauty and the Beast. It's my favorite princesses. So I think I could sit over here for like quite a long time just enjoying the theming. Comment down below, do you guys have a spot on the parks where you guys could just kind of honestly sit and hang out, take a chill pill for a minute? Because I definitely think that is over here for me, especially in Gaston's. It's so chill back there. But yeah, I think potentially I want to head over towards Adventureland. So I also barely ever spend time there. I found the crowds. Found them. They're here. Not too busy over there, but over here it is packed, which is kind of surprising. But this is kind of a bottlenecked area, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, just thought I'd crowd update you guys. It's a thing. It's still happening. Made it over to Adventureland. Fun fact, Club 33 from Magic Kingdom is here. This little, like you scan your little magic band here. Club 33, pretty great. We do have that here. Same as Disneyland, it's just above here. So it's kind of like back up there. I think it might stretch all the way up here on the second floor. I've never been up there. Comment down below if you have. I'm jealous. I want to go in there so bad. I want to go to all the Club 33s, but you know I'm not that lucky, but that is okay. Jealous if you have though, very jealous. Let's head back here and maybe to go to the Tiki room, get some AC. I love that attraction as well. It was Walt's, one of Walt's favorites that he made when he was alive. He used to sneak in the back. Oh my gosh, look at Orange Bird back there. Cute sauce, he's adorable. But yeah, Orange Bird is very present back here, or over here. But I love this land, it's fabulous. Let's go see if we can get in the Tiki room if it's open today. If not, maybe Pirates? So we'll see. All right, let's see, 5 minutes until the next show. So I think let's head in. Ooh, it's busy. Usually it's not busy at all, but we're here. We're gonna do it. Let's see. Let's do the back.
When the drums begin, they'll open magically to lead you right into the Sunshine Pavilion. Is everybody ready?
Yeah!
I can't hear you. Is everybody ready?
Woo! All right, we are getting seated. I have not been in this room this full in a very hot minute. It's probably because it's hot outside, so people want to sit in here, but I haven't been in here in a hot minute. Really, truly, which is crazy. But I'm really excited. Fun fact, I know this whole show by heart. It's yeah, I love it. It was covered by, I think, Hilary Duff in like a Disney Mania when I was a kid. And yeah, I love Hilary Duff, so I know this whole thing by heart, and I love it so very much. So let's enjoy the Tiki Room.
Buenos dias, señorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
You're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait, we forgot to wake up the Glee Club. He sings so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
In the tiki room, all the birds sing word blue.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand. And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is.
My favorite part.
Look,
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Woo! I love that song.
See,
It's
no one knows
fire.
the name but me.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Yeah, the birds stand still and the tiki room flies away. Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical duo. Somebody has stolen my thunder.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all this celebrating. But me buck out, every cloud has a silver line.
Monsieur and Madame, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happen here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
Yay!
Hooray, hooray!
Woo!
Let's give the birds a standing ovation. Applause, up, down there.
Yeah! Woo! Standing ovation.
And
Woohoo!
as long as you're all standing,
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
Yay! So good. Okay, I forgot how much I love that. It also brings back so many memories. I saw that at Dumbo, but I used to go in the Tiki Room all the time at Disneyland. I love that. Take your Dole Whip in there, eat it. 10 out of 10. Good time, would recommend. That's just such a cute show to go see, get some AC. It's so fun. I love that show. I'm such a nerd. I love it. It's okay. I have fun, I enjoy it. But let's head back up to the front of the park, check out a few more things, and then I think I'm gonna head out for the day, so let's head up there. Gotta love when Main Street is just nicely shaded, most of it at least. Gets the sun off, well, not in the sun. Well, they're even having Main Street vehicles right now? I am shocked. There's a little bit of a bottleneck over here, but I'm surprised. They're still having Main Street vehicles. I thought that usually ends, but I guess not. But we went into the Emporium on the way here, and I want to go into like the fancier uptown jeweler and clothing, like where the fancy stuff is, before we head out. Ew, my gimbal's all weird. Oh wow, okay, hold on, let me try to fix my gimbal. Okay, I think I fixed it, but let's head in here and see if there's anything. Oh, okay, it's the Cinderella stuff over here. The new Lily Pulitzer, which we've seen. But yeah, all the Cinderella stuff for the 75th anniversary is in here. We saw this at Springs, but they do have it in here. Some beautiful earrings, necklace, kind of hard to see. Oh, I love this on the sleeve. The little details, they're so cute. I like it. I like the blue as well. I love all the sparkles. $70, but you can't go wrong with sparkles. So stinking cute. Oh, and then they have one jacket left. This jacket is gorgeous as well, though. Stunning. All right, let's see if there's anything new. Yeah, that's newer for in here from the last time I came in here. They have the Cinderella Dooney and Burke collection now up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Really cute though. I love it. I love the Cinderella collection. And new rings. This is a newer ring. I like that. I wear silver jewelry though, not gold. Oh, look at these. It like matches all the other merch. That's like, oh yeah, all of it. They have a bunch. It matches the brand new. Oh. These earrings are so pretty and remind me of my friend Lauren because she loves bows. The bows in Disney, these are totally Lauren to a T. I love it. Those are really pretty though. Any new lounge flies? I don't see anything new over here. I always forget about this store. Like legitimately always forget about it. Yeah. But yeah, oh, I smell the yummy treats that are in here in the confectionery. We gotta look in here just because it smells delicious. Literally always. So many good treats in here too. It's kind of insane. I can show you guys the case. But you can get like little bags of like candied popcorn and stuff if you don't want to wait in the line. Well, there's no line over there, which is crazy. But here are the treats we currently have. A couple for Valentine's Day, but nothing super different for Valentine's Day. But yeah, the candied popcorn. It's my favorite. It's over here. And I'll show you the cute Valentine's popcorn right now. Look at the pink. The pink and red. Yum-o. If you're here, you should try this. You will not be disappointed. It is my favorite thing to get. Whew, so good. So stinking good. But yeah, so many good treats here at the confectionery. I think that's going to do it for me here at Magic Kingdom for the day. Very nostalgic day, but I very much loved it. Dumbo's always a good time. Tiki Room's always a good time when I can get in there. Good AC, tons of new merch, always. But I had such a great time. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.